crazy amount of guppies flocking to the floor so they can pick up the crumbs left over by Peanut. Man, that's crazy. To Peanut, in his point of view, they're probably the size of pigeons. So it's like a crazy swarm of pigeons, like taking over his crumbs. I feel you, Peanut. But I can't really send them away. Or, offer them to other turtles that will gladly gobble them up. But, you learn to live with them. Which you're doing a great job of. You're peaceful, man. You're so freaking peaceful. That's why these guys are swimming all over you. Get it, Peanut? Man, look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. A lot of them. They keep multiplying. Man, they just take the entire kibble. Come on, Peanut. It's right over there. Take what is rightfully yours, man. Well, you gotta find it first. Oh man, Peanut. It's right over there. Oh, Peanut! Peanut! No! Crazy fishy. Crazy big fishy. Crazier turtle. Right.